Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve text paragraph not justifying problem in Microsoft Word. So you can use this method to fix this problem. In the Home tab, click on Replace. Now in the Find What, you have to type this correct symbol by pressing Shift and 6 number key on keyboard. Then press P. So you have this symbol and P. Replace with, just make one space. So press one time space bar on keyboard. Then click on Replace All. So this way you can justify text in Microsoft Word if you have any issue or problem. So thanks for watching and comment on this video and this method work for you.